We're out here on Illinois Avenue. This is the 4th time we've caulked this window. I'm today confirming there's not a single place, and it doesn't look pretty because multiple layers of caulk never look pretty. But this is a siliconized caulk, and there's not a single place on here that it even could be. There was some shadow lines and some dust and dirt that were confused as a possible leak point, but they were not. And I'm gonna go over this entire line here. Along the top. And that, by the way, is dirt. And it's tight the entire way. It's not pretty, because whenever you have to go and do 4 layers, it is not pretty. But I'll show you in a second one of the 2 places that it was that were compromised, and they were above this window. We're gonna also talk about this. I'm also gonna cover the sides. You see that's a tight where the siding, and this trim right here is siding, meets the trim. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna tell. That's the other side. See, that's all tight as well on the entire side. The bottom sill is tight with where the stop meets the trim, and where the siding meets the window trim. On top of that, this trim went over the other trim, and this bottom piece is extended up almost to the top here, so you've got another 3 inches of flashing. To point out, there was a big old cut just below this place that is designed to push moisture out. We caulked that, and those windows up there had several areas that were that had gapping from old brittle caulk. Now the adjacent windows have old brittle, it looks like acrylic caulk next to them, and as you can see, you know, that could probably use a touch up, because any small little area could create water. But as far as this window, there's nothing. No way that anything's going in whatsoever. The underside is left open because water doesn't go up because of, well, gravity. And you have to have a place for moisture to escape.